are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, rear view camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.